Now I'm going to show you my project in CS431. Here is Mbed LPC 1768 processor, and then here's a rain sensor, and then here is stepper motor, here's a fan motor. So this system is simply a greenhouse air conditioner. If it rains, it closes the roof, it runs stepper motor, and if rain stops, it opens the roof and then it again runs our stepper motor. So this system is also connected to the internet using Ethernet port. So this Mbed MCU is also a HTTP server right now. It is working here, and here is a client for this server. So I just send a request to my server and then get fan information. So right now fan speed is around 15 root per second. So now I'm saying that okay, I want my ideal temperature inside the greenhouse to be like 10. Okay, I'm sending a request. I sent this request and then server returns 200. So right now ideal temperature is 10. I want the temperature to be 10, and right now the temperature is what? Let's see from the temperature sensor. So right now the temperature is 25, humidity is 70. By the way, I forgot to mention that there is also a temperature and humidity sensor. So right now temperature is 25, but I want it, my ideal temperature is 10. So my fan should go faster. So I'm again sending a request, and now my fan spins like 28 rotation per second. So I could get roof info from here also. Right now roof is open because there is no rain. Right now the ideal temperature, the required temperature that I set should be 10, because I set using a post request to my server to Mbed. So required humidity is right now is the default value, which should be like 0. Okay, let's also set it to a some value. So I'm making a request to my server and making my ideal humidity value to 50. Okay, response came. So what's the required humidity, ideal humidity that I set just now? It's 50, as you can see. So our server is working. So we also control stepper motor using rain sensor. So if it rains, if two raindrops occur frequently like this, our roof is closed now. After 10 seconds it will say okay, now now the rain finished, and let's just close the roof. If you just rain it always, I'm making rain right now. Okay, right now the roof is closed because it's raining. It's raining right now. The sensor is working, as you can see. so it stays closed. But I stopped raining, so it should open like in 10 seconds. So it's going to be open because it says 10 seconds left and no rain dropped, so it should be open. So that's all for my project: a rain sensor, a DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor, embed, a computer fan, and to power the computer fan another DC source. So that's all.